Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com, and we're making a video today for Expert Village. We're making a Gothic crocheted wire bracelet, and we finished our 3 rows, and this is what we have. We're going to add the clasp now. We're going to do a toggle clasp for this bracelet, and what that is, one end is a loop and one is just a bar, and it goes through the loop. And the way we attach this is we go to the end of our bracelet and we're going to push the wires together at the end so they're kind of at a point. We have the wire and we're going through the loop of the toggle clasp, and we're just sewing it on just like you would with a needle and thread. It's just going to go in and out of the toggle clasp. 3 or 4 times ought to secure it good enough. Then we're going to go to the other end. Use the loopy part of the toggle clasp. Again, we're pushing the edges of the wire together to make kind of a peak there. And we're going to put this on the wire. I think we're going to cut this a little bit shorter. And just sew this on the end. And there you have your toggle clasp that will close your bracelet.